go to app.zignaly.com. Slide your screen to the right, and click on Invest or Sign Up button to register your account. Type your email address and password, then proceed to log in. When you are in, press the bottom right side Balances button, and you will be transferred to the page when you can make deposits. Slide screen to the right, and press the Deposit button in the USDT row. When the new menu pops up, you need to select chain that you are going to use for USDT deposit. After selecting chain, slide the page down, and use QR code, or press on Copy button to get your deposit address to the clipboard. Deposit the amount you would like to invest, and paste Trade for Impact Ultra Safe Service link into your browser address field. You can find the link under this video. Now press the blue Invest button. In newly opened menu, you can type the amount you want to invest and select what to do with profits. You can reinvest or withdraw them. We suggest to choose 100% withdraw, but decision is up to you. Then you have to tick 2 risk boxes, and press Continue to Confirmation button. Now you see the summary of your investing choices. Type transfer in the bottom field to confirm your choice, and it's done. During the next 24 hours, your funds will be added to the service pool. You can see summary of your investments by clicking on the bottom portfolio button. Connect, benefit, earn. Trade with us, trade for impact.